Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my long hair inside a wig cap. These are the types of wig caps I use. They have a hole that you can go through. I just find this the easiest way to put on my wig cap. You can get, people send them to you when you order wigs. They're usually a wig cap, and if there isn't, you can also buy these off of Amazon. So my hair is extremely long, and I'm about to get it cut, so I want to make this video just to show that you can get super long hair in here without having to do a bunch of stuff to it. So, I just take it and I put it around my neck, pull my hair out, and there are two ways you can put it on. So the bottom piece is the elastic, and you just stretch this over your face like this, and then put it on your hairline, and all your hair should be sticking out like this, and then you just grab the end and tuck your hair in the wig cap. And then once it's in, try to flatten it with your hands a bit, just so that way it's as flat as possible. And then back here, there's always a little bit of hair, so I just take my wig cap and stretch it over the back of my head. And see how it's a little lumpy, but you can't really tell once it's under the wig. And there's another way I can put it on. So if I'm wearing makeup and I don't want to ruin my makeup because I forgot to put this on, I just stretch it over my neck, pull my hair out, and then I grab the bottom and just put that on my hairline, and then stretch this over my hair, and then put it in. I just find the other way easier to keep my hair, because see, it's stretching out right there and not holding my hair back as well. And then in the back, do the same thing. But I don't really like this one as much as the other way, because this way it holds my hair fine, but the other way it holds it much tighter and neater, and then it doesn't fall off as easy, and it keeps my hair in place. So I did use my hair like that when I went to a convention all day long, and it didn't fall out. I did put in 2 bobby pins just here, just to make sure that it stayed in my wig, on my head, just because I'm going to be wearing it for such a long time, but it didn't fall out at all, and it didn't give me a headache. And the problem with braiding my hair is, if I braid my hair and it gives me a headache most of the time if I braid my hair or put it up, or even just put rubber bands or do something with my hair. So it always tends to give me a headache, but this never really does. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!